the best SEO techniques to drive the organic traffic in 2021. So, what is SEO? And SEO is an organic way to improve the keyword ranking and website traffic in order to get the website business for the website and get leads for your website. So, to become a top of SEO, you need to be updated yourself according to Google algorithm, as Google is updating its algorithm on a daily or weekly basis. So please update yourself according to Google algorithms. There is a rough idea about 3.5 million people using Google to search on the Google. About 70% of people uses the web to research products or services before buying. Here are some techniques to drive the organic traffic in 2021. Improve user experience across your site. Your website should be mobile friendly, user friendly, and it should not be outdated or slow, so it will lead to the bounce rate. So please make sure your website should be user friendly. Optimize for the voice search. Your mobile should be optimized for the voice search. As you know, most of the younger people now use the voice search option to search something on Google. It is a rough idea by 2022. The percentage should be 55% of the people use the voice search instead of typing. Design for the mobile first. Make sure your website should be mobile friendly and mobile responsive, as Google now give the ranking to the mobile first ranking first rather than the desktop version. So please make sure your mobile should be mobile friendly and it is optimized according to the each and every mobile. Write longer content. Write unique and longer content for your website, and try to include your keywords in the content in the variation of form. So your keywords can rank and it will lead to the traffic and organic ranking for your keywords. Take advantage of YouTube. As you know, YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. So please take advantage of YouTube SEO. Create attractive videos, so attractive descriptions, so it will help to increase your website traffic. Overlook technical SEO. Technical SEO is also a major factor in SEO, so make sure your website should be technically okay. It will also help to improve the keyword ranking and the traffic. So make sure your website should be secured. Enable the asset mobile pages. Website should be mobile friendly. Correct the semantics error, like your website should have proper H1 tag, all tags. Fix the 404 error page or any redirecting URLs error. You have to address that as a target local searches for landing pages. Use the local keywords for the better result. Use the GMB for better result and traffic. You can update GMB with proper information like proper opening hours, telephone numbers, address, maps on the Google. So it will help to get the maximum business from the GMB. Measure SEO performance. You have to measure your SEO performance, how your SEO is going. So there are various tools like analytics, Google Search Console, from where you can measure the performance. You can also search with certain factors like which content people read more, which UX issue is addressed on the Google, so you need to solve that. Which page has the most or the least visited by the user, so you have to address that. Which on page changes result in higher ranking, so it you have to seen that. Which style of keywords should be in focus in future? What kind of keywords are people searching in Google recently? So you have to update yourself according to that. Core Web Vitals. Core Web Vitals is also a major factor in SEO and SEO ranking. So please make sure your website should be according to the Core Web Vitals guidelines, and it should be responsive and properly AMP. So your mobile pages could be uploaded fastly. Learn what your user want. Check and learn what your customer wants. So you have to be update your website according to that. So there are various factors like you can use a social media platform like Facebook, Quora, etc. to search what people are looking for. You can check in the Google Analytics which pages are visited by the customer more. See the post, get the most share, what you are posting on the Twitter and Facebook, and how many people are shared those posts. Listen to the visitor comments on your blog post. Post valuable content on social media. Social media is one of the major factor to improve the ranking and traffic. So please make use of social media like Quora, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to increase your website traffic. Hope you understand this. Thank you.